Hello everyone, I am here today to do a box opening, and I have been resting up from everything that's been going on here in town, so I'm in a happier mood than what I was. So let's get started. One thing is this baby bib. It is Mickey Mouse baby bib. And this is the back. And this is the front. Also have the burp pad, which is Minnie Mouse. Sorry about that. Got tongue-tied. And this is the back of it. Then this is the same thing, but here's another baby bib. And here is two more of the burp pads. It's the way it came to me. So all total, I have 3 burp pads and 2 baby bibs. So this concludes my box opening for this morning, and you have a good day now. Bye.